Okay, I just want to show you this. So I disconnected both of them. This one is still plugged in, and it tests as a direct short on the side with the switch. So I plug in, and the switch is off on the vehicle. So plug the gray in to the black, just like so, as your description said. And then I come up here, I turn the key on, and this is what I see when I turn it on. Okay, so then I come down here and I pull this small jumper off. 1 second, please. Okay, I pulled that. As you can see, it's now pulled apart. Now when I come up here and look at your signal, this is what I get. Okay. Now I go and shut it off. Then I put everything back. Wait for the actuator to go before I unplug anything. Okay. I plug in the small wire first, the 2-pin. Then I plug in the black. Then I plug in the gray. And then I come back up here to the dash, and this is what I got. Thank you.